somewhere trimming.
Piece that you saw us welding, unbolt this slip fit right here, get rid of our resonator here, and slip our exhaust that we just made onto right before the muffler. Stock resonator piece off the truck. Let's hear this thing. Well, the truck is 100% stock. All this wiring provided in the kit, 12 volt car outlet plug for powering this. All right, let's open this guy. All right, you cannot argue with that. That sounds freaking good. And then we want to quiet it up. Look at that. I think we need to hear it outside.